Good morning to all of you. In class 12 business studies, we are on chapter 6, that is staffing, and our topic is going on recruitment. Yesterday I explained you aspects of staffing, and there were three aspects: selection, recruitment and training. So I explained you the meaning of training and sources of training. So today we are on internal sources. Like yesterday I explained you internal sources: transfer, promotion and layoff. Transfer, promotion and layoff are the three sources, and these internal sources also have some benefits as well as some drawbacks. So today I am going to explain you the sources, internal sources, and then after internal sources I will discuss with you the meaning, see the sources of recruitment and external and internal. Internal sources, we are on internal sources. Transfer. Transfer means shifting one employee from one job to another, from one department to another, from one city to another, okay, but with a similar status. Then next I explained you this is horizontal movement. Then next is promotion. Promotion means shifting of employee from lower position to higher position with higher status, greater responsibilities, better facilities, more pay, and be careful, everyone wants promotion. And this is vertical shifting, and it is for motivation and encouragement of employees so they will perform better. Yes, the next is advantages. Today we are moving on advantages of internal sources. Yes. What are the benefits of internal sources? Internal means within the organization. Within the organization, you can transfer, you can promote. But what are the benefits of it? The transfer means shifting from surplus area to lacking area. Okay, so shifting of an employee with a similar position from one department to another. And promotion means giving higher responsibilities and higher salary, higher status. But both are within the organization. That's why internal source means the owner is same, okay, and within the organization. But what are the benefits? First of all, the first benefit: sense of security. I told you that job security is an incentive or motivator. If you are giving job security, job permanence to your employee, they will be happy, they will work effectively and efficiently. So, internal sources provides a sense of security to our employees. It creates a sense of security among the employees. See the slide. Sense of security means that organization will not remove you. Organization is going to give you job security. So the employee will be loyal and he will not search other jobs. He will think that I am here till my retirement. This is the sense of security, and this will be necessary for every employee. So they will perform. If the complete enthusiasm. This sense of security means job security. So internal sources. Maybe you are shifting the employee from one place to another. Like yesterday, I gave you the example. I am teaching in 11th and 12th. If they require one teacher in class 11, they can transfer. But this is internal. Okay, a teacher may be promoted to the post of coordinator. Yes, this is the source of internal recruitment, promotion. So, but maybe the transfer is there, maybe the promotion is there, that is giving them job security. And everyone requires. If there is no job security, employee will not be happy. They will always in search of jobs in somewhere else. So if you want your employees will work effectively and efficiently, give them job security, sense of security. Okay, then next, loyalty. See, if the employee knows that he will be here till his retirement, the half life will be spent in that organization. That will be loyalty, faithfulness towards the organization. That organization or working place is termed as second home because the half life is spent there. So half time of the day also. So if the employee is satisfied that organization is not going to them, there will be loyalty, faithfulness, and that will build loyalty among the employees because they know they may be transferred, they may be promoted, but they will not be removed. Employees' motivation. You can see the slide. Employees' motivation means the internal sources, transfer or promotion motivates the employees for better performance. Internal sources like transfer or promotion encourages the employees to work effectively and efficiently because they know that they will be transferred, they will get the promotion. This will work as motivation. So employees feel motivated and this is the source of motivation also. If you are promoting your employees by giving higher salary, higher position, that will be the source of motivation, encouragement. Employees will feel better than economical. Yes, now my question is to you. How you can say that internal sources are economical? See the cheapest way of recruitment. How cheapest way? There will be no expenses in advertisement. There will be no expenses to give to placement agencies. No web publishing, no placements. Agencies are required, no campus placements are required. This is internal source. Internal source means from one department to another, from one post to another, from one place to another, you are shifting your employees. And no need to take any, no need to give any advertisement, no need to take any other step, no need to spend money. In internal sources, you are shifting the employees by. So these are the economical ways. That's why it is said that internal sources are economical sources of recruitment. No need to spend money. Then employment continuity. What does it mean? Employment continuity means it ensures continuity of employment if you are giving job security. The employment or the relation between employer and employee will be continued. Okay. There will be no change in terms and conditions. There will be no change in working environment. There will be no change in relationship. So employment will go on continuing. Same employment. Maybe there will be some changes in salary or then better relations. Internal sources create better relationship between management and the employees, between the employer and employee relationship. See, if the worker is working from last 20 to 25 years, there will be better relations. Old employees will have better relationships, better loyalty than new ones. Better relations. It establishes better employer-employee relationship. See, in Wipro and Infosys, employees and management have very good relationship because they have permanence, job security, and they are working with the same employment contract and country. Then next point is surplus and shortage rectified. Just now, surplus and shortage rectified means it helps to rectify the surplus and shortage of employees in each. Just now I told you, my dear children, in employment, we shift the employees from surplus area to lacking area. Where we have more number of employees and we require less, then we can transfer them to the workplace where we require new or more employees. Yesterday I gave you the example of a big industry of India that they have industries in Gujarat, Surat and Ahmedabad. Now what they do, if they have extra workers in Surat, they shift them to Ahmedabad where number of workers are less. So same way in from one department to another, from one place to another, from one job to another, they can transfer easily. Then tool for trading. Internal sources are tools for training to prepare the employees for higher position. Yes, like primary teachers can be trained to shift to secondary sections. Same in the organization or in the factories. Lower level, operational level workers can be promoted to middle level by giving them training. So promotion is also a tool for training. Now see, advantages of internal sources, sense of security. Sense of security means employee will have job security because internal sources mean shifting the employee within the organization. Loyalty, cooperation, faithfulness, employees will feel motivated and encouraged. It is the cheapest way, economical, no need to spend money on advertisement or etc. Employment continuity, the job will continue, they will be work as they are working earlier. Maybe the post or department will change, then they have better relationships. Better relationships, we have always better relationships with our old employees. We know each other very well. Then surplus and shortage means where we have surplus workers, we can shift them to the area where we require, and it is a tool for saving. Disadvantages: no infusion of new blood means outsiders cannot join the organization because internal source means employees will be appointed within the organization. So no new or young candidates can enter. Lethargic. Employees becomes lethargic when they are sure of time of promotion. It is generally in the government department or for few person, not for all The employees will be lethargic as they know. The employer will not remove them. They will get promotion after that time period, so they will not ready to work. Then limited number of qualified employees. See, when we change or shift the employee within the organization, all are of old or according to old pattern. If we want to appoint new, young, technically qualified person, then we have to appoint from outside. No spirit of competition. Why no spirit of competition? Yes, please tell me. Because all are old or within the organization and all are working on the same pattern. So there will be no competition. No competitor is there. No innovation. Not suitable for the most requiring innovation if the all people are of old pattern. No new technology, no new scientific research, no new innovations are coming in the organization. Favoritism and partiality. It may encourage favoritism and nepotism. Partiality. You can understand this word easily nowadays. See, if we don't allow new, young candidates in the organization, that may be the old pattern, nepotism. We should allow young and new candidates in the organization. Then reduction in productivity. See, reduction in productivity means if the organization is sick, all the employees are working for many years, they will work in their own way. Just now I told you they all become lethargic. So there may be less productivity. Now we can discuss disadvantages of internal sources. No infusion of new blood. New blood means young generation. See, if in the organization, like you can see in your surroundings, like in the school also, or in some organization like railways, banks, and factories, if we are not giving chance to youngsters, there will be no new ideas, no new blood, no young generation. Lethargic, old one new, that they will not be retrenched, they will work according to their choice. Limited number of qualified employees, old pattern, no spirit of competition because all are within the organization, no spirit of competition, and no innovation because no new one is coming. Favoritism, nepotism, and partiality will always be there. There will be at everywhere in every organization. Then reduction in productivity will be. But according to me, these all disadvantages are there because of some people. See, everything has some benefits as well as doubts, as well as demerits. So, in my opinion, if we are discussing about the marriage, we can discuss the demerits also. Internal means within the organization, it gives sense of security, yani job security, loyalty, faithfulness, yes, faithfulness. Then a third single on your video. So according to me, the internal sources are better, but there must be balance. Krish Kapoor, Krish Kapoor. Krish Kapoor. There will be balance between internal and external sources. Kritika Chabra. Maybe there will always be a good balance between internal and external. So that will work as employees' motivation. Employees feel motivated if they are promoted. It is an economical source because no need to spend on advertisement. Employment terms and condition or the contract will be continued. There will be better relationship between employer and employee because they know each other, they know the working pattern, then surplus and shortage rectified. This is the better example we can give, means surplus area to lacking area. It works as a tool for training because everyone wants to get higher position, but it has some demerits like youngsters, the outsiders, new blood will not be able to enter, lethargic, all senior employees will be lethargic, limited number of qualified people, old people will be there, so there will be no spirit of competition, no new. See, everyone will do the work on their pace. There will be no innovation. Favoritism and partiality and nepotism is always everywhere. Reduction in productivity. So today we completed internal source, merits and demerits.